Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a new way to look at pendulum patterns using a laser and phosphorescent paper. Check it out. All you need for this lab is a laser and some phosphorescent paper. Make your laser into a pendulum by hanging it up from a string. Roll out your phosphorescent paper underneath the laser and give it a swing. Aside from being really cool, pendulum patterns are so important. It was Galileo in the early 17th century who counted the number of periods that a pendulum would swing in a 24-hour period because there was no accurate way to keep time in the early 17th century. But it was Galileo who realized that a pendulum could be used as an accurate measure of time. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.